Hi, my name is Ryan Brown from mockquestions.com. We have over 30,000 unique interview questions on our website. With all these questions, it's surprising to me that visitors often search for this one customer service interview question, which is, give me an example of how you have delivered excellent customer service at your last position. I wanted to share with you 2 interview answer examples from our website that are geared towards the entry-level crowd. The first one is, during my summer job working at a home improvement store, a customer came in looking for an outdoor patio lighting set. They had a specific model in mind that they found on our website. Our website showed we had 4 items in stock. Unfortunately, the shelf where they were located was empty. These items were supposed to be stocked directly above their display case. That was not the case in this situation. I took down the customer's information and began searching for these items. I eventually found them 45 minutes later and was able to call a customer, and they came in to pick up their light set. A second answer example. I worked part-time as a server last Christmas, and I was instructed to greet each customer by saying, "Hi, my name is Ryan, welcome to our restaurant," and so on. I took this a step further and would repeat my name a second time. Again, my name is Ryan. If you need anything, let me know, and I'll be happy to get that for you. It wasn't long before I had customers coming in requesting me as their server by name. So these are just 2 entry-level customer service examples. I would suggest getting out pen and paper and writing down a few of your own, because if you are involved with any customers at your future job, this type of question will likely be asked. If you need more examples for this question, I included a link to our website in the description if you're watching this video on YouTube, and also include a similar interview question we have, which is, tell me about a time when you went above and beyond for customer service. For that question, we have over 10 answer examples on our website. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.